All right, guys, we have taken down our tackle wall in the garage. And now what we have is a bare wall. All of that tackle is now in this box, a humongous box. Okay, so the point is, I want to have this coming out so I can put my hooks down there. I have these, and as you can see, if I want to put one here, I can, because there is wood there. But I can put it here, but I want more room, and all of that I don't want to be wasted. So I'm gonna put a screw and a conduit in that spot so it will bring it out so I can put the hooks on there. So I'll do one and then I'll show you how it looks when I'm done. Oh, I also wanted to point out that I put them up with a nail gun, some 18 gauge little brads. So that way I can kind of get an idea of how I want it. And there again, I have to put one more of these over there. So that way I can have that support. Okay guys, so look, I have that conduit all the way up. There, there, and there. And it is very sturdy. I have what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on that side. And I could put one more in the middle. I may, but I don't really think I need to. The main thing is, I want to be able to put these hooks anywhere on the board that I want to. Even the holes that are close to where I drilled, I can put this, well, not that one, but here. I can put those hooks anywhere. Now, you can also drill into the pegboard, and then you can put one right over top. So it's really up to you. But this is the easiest way that I have found. Number one, down here, I had to screw in some cross beams. If I can find out where those went to, because I have to have level cross beams. I'll put one here and cut a block right there, screw it in that way, and then from the top, we'll screw that board down through. So you have a level cross beam. I'm not really doing any heavy structure on this. So I don't really need to worry about going hog wild with the cross beams. Now, the problem is, when I put my pegboard over here, I don't really have a whole lot of room to do much here, except maybe put in another stud here. Over here, I'm not really worried about that a whole lot, but there again, I may go ahead and fill in that gap with maybe 2 more 2x. Then I can run the pegboard all the way in there and screw it in and run a cross beam here like I did over here. So I have a lot to do, but the main thing is I want to have the pegboard out from the 2x. So I can put my hooks wherever I want to put them, and I don't have to worry about not having enough room behind it. Really, really simple and easy to fix. There again, I did have a nail gun, an air compressor, and a giant saw. So when you have the right tool for the job, it makes life so much easier. So I'm gonna do that one over there, cut a 2x, and then screw it in so you can see, and then we're gonna hang that one. Right back, guys. All right, guys, I got number 2 up. Now, I can put that one in and we'll have it all squared up. But what I had to do is cut a stud here. I screwed it in with a block to get it where I wanted it. And then screw that block up there, got it square and on center. Came down here, got it squared up, and I screwed one screw right there. Then I came back at an angle with a drill. I went in at a 45 and towed that one in. Now I have a panel that is square, straight, and now I can put the rest of them in there. All right, guys, the end product. I have baits here, and I have baits here. I'm working on here, and here, and here. This whole room will be filled with tackle, rods, my reels, and if those want to swing by and get some of these off of me, heck yeah, dude. I am stoked to be a little bit further. And by the way, none of these products are sponsored. I paid for every single one of these baits with my own money, and I am proud of that. So, next video will be working on here, getting more hooks because I have 0 left. And I haven't I haven't even got to the hard baits yet. Jigs. I'm got a lot going on. So I hope that you enjoy. And if you have any anything that you want to ask me about how I did this, shoot me a message and I will let you know. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. I hope that you have an awesome night. I'm gonna go get my daughter and spend some time with her. Love you guys. See you on the next one. Deuce.